Hello everybody, it is me, Chasey Poo. Today I will be going on the Discord website to give you a little walkthrough on how you can join this year's Christmas card, holiday card exchange. It's going to be really awesome, and I'm doing a walkthrough video because I feel like it might just be a little complicated for people who have never seen Discord, aka me. I had no idea how to use this. So I'm going to kind of walk you through all of the steps. So you just got to follow this video, and if you have any questions, just make sure to watch this video again and read kind of like the rules and stuff like that on the video. So I'm just going to make my face a little bit smaller and give you a screen share right now. So when you go on to the actual channel, you're going to go to here, and this is, you're going to have welcome is going to be the first one that pops up. You don't really have to do anything here. It's just like a, hey, you're here. So the first thing you should do is go to chat rules. So the chat is not anything to do right now with the card exchange, but it just kind of tells you like, don't spam, like don't put any porn, don't do this, don't do that. And if there's anything that you feel like is inappropriate, tell a mod. And then we have an announcement tab here. I think they're called channels, hunties. I'm not really sure because I've never done Discord before, but when I think this is so cool. Announcements here is, there will be announcements if there are announcements. I'll probably post one today like, hey, everyone, welcome. And now this is really the one that you need to pay attention to, okay? So I'm gonna go step by step with you because I feel like it might be just a little bit long. And I wanna show you what it looks like. So step one here, it says, go to role assignment channel and choose your role. So the role assignment channel will be down here. So if you press that, all right, you're going to get this message. Now, what is a role? A role means that you're either going to be somebody who is going to be sending only, you're going to receive only, or you're going to do both. And by that, I mean, like, I know that there were some people that I surveyed on Twitter who wanted to do the card exchange and they wanted to send and receive cards, whereas there were some people that just wanted to receive and there were other people that just want to send. So in that way, you're kind of just assigning yourself a role, and it's super easy. Also, again, want to shout out the person who figured this entire Discord app out, Co. I will put all of their information in the link in the description below, whatever. So here, roles. So if you want to be a sender, if you want to be a receiver, if you want to be both. So receivers don't really do much. If you press the receiver role, then you get assigned the receiver role. So like if I go up to my name here, I am now a receiver. I'm going to X that out and show you the next one. If I want to be a sender here, okay? So a sender is right here. And then if you want to be both, which I feel like most people here are going to want to do both, you do the little star, and then you get assigned to both. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the chat rules because we have now assigned ourselves a role. Now it says to go back to the role assignment and assign yourself your pronouns. You don't have to do this, but I feel like it creates kind of like a nice atmosphere where people know how to like pronoun you. So there's she, her, he, him, they, them, and then custom. If you have another pronoun, just contact one of the mods, either me or the mods that you will see there. So I'm just going to put he, him because that's who I am. And yeah, so he, him, both, and I'm a mod. You won't have that, but I have that. Okay, so go back to card exchange rules. Step one is done. Pretty simple. Okay, step two. Now, it depends if you're a sender, if you're a receiver, or if you're both. If you're a sender, you need to go to the senders channel. So you see that there's senders room 1, senders room 2. We're expecting that there's going to be a lot of people who are going to be in these rooms, so we made 2 just so that it's easier for you to track where you are and who you're actually matched with. So let me just actually give myself the role of sender just so that I can like actually show you. So in the senders chat channel, we're going to go senders here. So these are just kind of like the screen, you just see what the screen looks like because we were testing stuff out. You have to go, period, match me. Enter, and then automatically, nope. Automatically, it's supposed to match me with someone. So once you press match me, okay, you just press enter. It's going to just show that you've actually done this here. And then it's going to show you who you've matched with. So the bot automatically matches you with someone, which is amazing, and this is technology, and this is the future, and this is so cool. So it'll automatically match you with someone. Now, if you're a sender, I want you to go ahead and press on the person that you were matched with and go and send them a message here. So, hey, I got matched to you. Do you want to exchange info? Wow, I can spell. Send cards. or whatever, and then you just press enter, and then you hey, testing, listen, okay, listen, this is the first time we're doing this and it's exciting. So that's basically if you're a sender. So that's what's going to happen. You DM your match. Now the reason, like I said, we have 2 rooms is because once you do match me, I feel like a lot of people are going to do that at the same time, and you just need to find yourself. So once you have been matched, okay, as a sender, if you only want to send 1 card to somebody, you're going to need to go back to role assignments and press matched. This means that, I mean, it doesn't really matter because you're a sender, so you're not going to get matched with anybody because it's really just you that matches with people. But so let me just remove that just so to make sure. So now I'm going to put myself as a receiver, which is the praying hands, and go back here. So receivers, wait for a message from your randomly selected sender. So receivers, you really just, oh my God, like literally the way that it's worded. So receivers just wait for a DM, okay? And then people who do both. So I'm gonna assign myself both roles here, both. And you go to both sending and receiving, and then you put match us. So you go period, match us, like this, you press enter, and bang, there you go. It matched me automatically with Crispy. And now I know that Crispy is the one that also has sending to both, like both receive and sending. So, hey, we got matched. Let's send each other cards. Yay. If you want to send and receive 300 cards, that's dramatic, but you could literally just go there again, and you just go press match us again, and it will match you. Oh, match me with me. Hey, Chase. It'll keep matching you with other people. Now, if, and people will be matching with you as well, right? Because you're in the both send and receive. So if you don't want to be matched anymore and you really only wanted to send 1 card and receive 1 card, that is no problem. Like I said, whoops, you just got to go back to your role assignment and you press match. This way the bot knows not to match you with anyone else. And like I mentioned before, I'm pretty sure that most people are going to want to send and receive cards. So I feel like this is going to be the one that most people are in. But remember right away, okay, when you press match us and you get matched with someone like Crispy, because I don't want you to be matched with other people because it's going to go by really quickly, I want you to go press on your username and right away just remove the both and put in that you are matched. There you go. Oh, it was already there. Look, I'm all over the place, but you gotta go with it. And then if you look down here, there's general chat 1, general chat 2, art, cat photos, there's memes. We just thought it would be a good idea to have chat rooms. The person who helped me with this, they do Discord a lot, and apparently chat rooms like this are really great. So go in there and chat, and remember the chat rules that you saw in the beginning. Just, don't be an asshole. Just be nice. And if there's anything that you see that's problematic, please contact us and we will pay attention. I think we're also looking for some mods, so if you know a lot about Discord and you want to help out, please let us know. So I'm just going to reiterate one more time because it's super easy. Step 1, you go to role assignment, okay? And then if you want to be a sender, a receiver, or both, you're going to put it. So I'm going to put myself as both. And then I go back to the exchange rules and I say, oh, okay, look, both, I have to go to both sending and receiving. So you go here and you're going to put period, match. I don't know why there's a period, but that's fine. Match us. And whoever it matches you with, which now is not working because I think I've just matched with everybody that is available. So let's say I match with Raptor. I would just, hey, we matched. And then this is a test. And then because we've matched, I want you to go back here, okay? And I want you to go to your username and go here and press matched, because now you won't be matched with anybody else. So that's kind of the only part that I felt like might be just a little bit confusing, but let me know if you have any questions. I am super excited for this, and I really hope that it does work out. And also, I didn't mention, but on the left here, where all of your chat conversations are going to be open. So yeah, once you're matched with the amount of people you want to be matched with, just please, please, please go back to role assignment and put yourself as matched. If you keep getting matched with other people by accident, and they contact you, or you're just like, oh, maybe I should tell them, just say I was already matched, and then you can unmatch with them. So then that's super easy. That way you don't have to really deal with that. So also don't forget your pronouns, because I think that that's really cool if we do that. I just removed my own pronouns. All right, I will see you in there. I'm super excited. Also, I'm doing like I'm also sending holiday cards. I'm sending 1,500 if you didn't know that. So I'll put the video with all that information in the description below. All right, I'll see you later. Have a great day. Bye.